My name is Omer Cohen. I am the founder and CEO of VirtuRide. VirtuRide is the best ride ever. VirtuRide is like taking the bike ride on the road outside to your living room. The bike tilts up, down, and to the sides. It's an incredible ride. As a triathlete, I used to do a lot of Ironman races, and I always wanted people to feel what I feel on the road, but in their living room, indoors. And that's where I had the idea to build VirtuRide. VirtuRide is a patented technology of a motion platform that moves the spinning bike up, down, and to the sides. There is no other technology in the world right now doing this. Now we also added the virtual reality aspect to it when you're using the Meta goggles, and it's incredible. The benefits of VirtuRide is, first of all, you don't need to leave the house. It's safe. You don't need to get on the road and get, God forbid, hit by other cars. Also, it's safe for your joints because the whole system is built on airbags, so it's cushioning and it feels really good on your joints. And it's fun, it's entertaining, it's music, roads, music videos. You get to ride in Iceland, in Germany, in Arizona, in Utah, in your living room. I hear from people that VirtuRide takes them to a whole different level. When they do this ride, they enjoy the ride, and it takes them to, if they're upset, if they're annoyed, if something happened to them, they get on the bike, they put the goggles on, and they go to a completely different world. And that makes me very happy as the inventor, because I help people become happier. And it releases a lot of bad energies, and it makes them happy and healthier. The VirtuRide patent is based on a platform, on a motion platform. Any spinning bike in the world fits on our motion platform. It's universal. The platform is designed to move up 20 degrees, down 20 degrees, and tilts to the sides 5 degrees, and it adapts to any spin bike. So you can take your own spin bike, clip it to the VirtuRide platform, and the bike will move exactly like the road. That's the beauty of it. The goggles is actually made by Facebook, Meta, and a huge investment into these goggles to make them fitness-oriented, so you can sweat. It's sweat-proof. And I do these classes for hours, and I can stay inside these goggles, and it takes you to a completely different, the real road. That's what you feel. It was a tough journey, but we enjoyed the ride throughout. We had to try this system on thousands of people until we perfected and made it the best ride ever. At this moment now, this product is ready for investors to come in and to take it to the next level of mass production. As a patented device, VirtuRide can go to anywhere in the US, Europe, South America, Canada. It's patented internationally, and it fits to every person because you can go fast, you can go slow, you can enjoy the ride any way you want it. So it's not just for a 20-year-old or 30-year-old or fitness fanatics, it's for the general public. The business opportunities for VirtuRide are two. There's one avenue of the franchise locations around the world, and the other opportunity is home product to sell it based on subscription on a monthly basis. We waited so much time to be able to bring it to CES, and now we can show it and people actually enjoy the ride, and everybody's asking us, where were you? We have never heard of you. That's why we're here now. We need the exposure, and we're looking for the right investor to come along the way and join us in this beautiful journey.